Welcome to Silk Education. Today we are going to talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. First, a butterfly gives eggs, and eggs break down and makes larva, and larva changes into caterpillar, and the caterpillar sheds its skin and makes a pupa. After some time, pupa breaks and a butterfly comes out. And this process goes on forever. That's why it is called life cycle. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel to be a part of Silk Education Cutesy Beauty family.